she's Skyping from, she's at your school right now at Monarch. Hi, Jeannie.
You can push the ball in? Push the ball in.
How is it there, Jeannie?
Oh my gosh, this school, it's incredible. It's this supportive, special family. It's like a family. The second we walked in, it's an incredible place.
Push it in.
Good students, good teachers here, Mr. Garcia.
Oh, or throw it. Whatever you want to do. Yeah.
And how are you able to do, you talked about
Push it in.
families twice a week and food for the kids and laundry.
You cutie.
How are you able to do all this?
A lot of it comes from support from the community, really. I mean, it's private donations.
There. Good job, Kevin. Look, the ball went in.
We really couldn't do it.
Good job.
It's amazing.
Oh, you cheater.
To support our students and our families.
Well, I would like to we would like to make a donation. So Skype is committed to enriching learning around the world by making communication easier for students through its Skype in the Classroom program. And today, Skype is giving your school a check for $50,000.
Good job, buddy. You don't need the hammer, do ya? Can you say hi, Mima and Pampa? Hi, Mima and Pampa. Kevin, hi. Hi. Want me to move this for you? Is that your new zebra? Can you dance, Kevin? Gavin, can you dance? Good job, baby. Okay, bye, baby. I love you. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you blow me a kiss? Can you blow Mama a kiss? Mwah. Good job. Good job. I love you, Mr. Runny Nose. Ah, get away with the snotty nose. I'm just kidding. I love you.